Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Martin and I am a MLIS student at San Jose State University iSchool. My presentation today is how a split-screen tutorial project influenced my pursuit of a career in academic librarianship. First, what is a split-screen tutorial? A split-screen tutorial is a self-paced learning module that helps a user learn how to navigate a website or learn a certain skill such as how to properly cite an article. A split-screen tutorial has two side-by-side components on one screen. One side is the learning module that the user is navigating through, and the other side is an embedded website or document that the tutorial is using as an example. A good split-screen tutorial should be engaging and provide learning opportunities for the user to test themselves on their new knowledge. It is also important to make your tutorial as accessible as possible for all users by adding items such as image descriptions for screen readers and easy-to-read font. In our Info 254 class, Professor Valenti Kroski tasked us with creating a split-screen tutorial with a partner using LibWizard. The topic we chose for our split-screen project was to create a short refresher on APA style for undergraduate college students. While creating this tutorial, our focus was on accessibility and engagement in order to create a positive user experience. Here's a slide from our split-screen tutorial project. As you can see, this page has the learning module portion on the left-hand side and the embedded website on the right-hand side. The user will then navigate using the Next Slide button at the bottom. This slide is asking a question so that the user can test their knowledge of the subject matter on the embedded web page. It is asking which of these are possible reasons why you would use APA style, with both correct and incorrect answers provided for the user to choose from. Here we can see the outcome of the user's selection. They chose that the reason you would use APA style was because it's the hottest new fashion statement, which we know is not a correct answer. Since our tutorial audience were undergraduate college students, we wanted to make questions that would be fun and keep them engaged, so some of our possible answers are meant to be humorous. Part of the assignment directive was to create engaging learning opportunities that respond with more than just correct or incorrect as a response to the answer selection. So for example, this question guides the user to the section of the web page they should review to help them select a different, correct answer in order to proceed to the next slide. I also chose to use this tutorial as a starting point for the Info 254 class final project, which was to create and teach a mock information session. This tutorial served as the basis for a flipped classroom focus in my information session on APA citations. For the flipped classroom model, students are tasked with learning the material before attending class. The lesson plan for the classroom teaching will then focus on opportunities for active learning, such as problem solving in groups or answering quizzes to further absorb and review the new topic. So what did I learn from this experience? Creating this tutorial provided me a chance to use a new tool in LibWizard that I hadn't previously had experience with, and to gain hands-on experience in creating a split-screen tutorial. Also, this class and these projects helped me to realize how much I enjoy teaching and contributed to my interest in a career in academic librarianship. This has helped me focus my career pathway on this type of librarianship. Thank you all for your time. I hope you found this presentation interesting. If you'd like to contact me, feel free to send me an email.